So this lesson is all about multiplying polynomials. Probably the simplest version of that is multiplying two monomials. So let's say I have 2x and then times 3x to the fourth. What happens here is, since this is all multiplication, you can kind of apply the commutative property of multiplication mentally. In other words, you do 2 times 3 first, which is 6, and then you do x times x to the fourth. And x to the fourth times x is x to the fifth, because this is like x to the 1 right here. Another type is a distributive property. Something like this: a monomial times a binomial. 4x times 2x is 8x squared, because 4 times 2 is 8, x times x is x squared. And then 4x times negative 1 is negative 4x, because 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Another type is two binomials. Maybe you have something like this. Apply the FOIL method. X times x squared is x to the third power. X times negative 8x is negative 8x squared. And then negative 4 times x squared is negative 4x squared. Negative 4 times negative 8x is plus 32x. So then look to combine like terms. In this case, these are like terms, so it's going to be x to the third is minus 12x squared, and then plus 32x. Other situations you'll see: something like this. It's just the FOIL method again, only you're applying it to a trinomial, so it's just kind of like an extended FOIL. So you'd multiply all of these terms and then all of these. Another one you might see is three binomials. Like that. So then you apply the FOIL method for the first two binomials, and then that will result in a trinomial, and then you multiply that by the next binomial. So you multiply these two first, and then take that result, and then multiply this one. That's all you're doing here, is multiplying polynomials with different numbers of terms. That's the big picture.